Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Good morning, Mom. Yo, happy Friday, kind of. Let's see. Hey, shout out to the 3 people that like. Smash that like button. Hold up, let me check in on something real quick. Good morning, Mahishu. Good morning, Gym Rat. Good morning, Black Butterfly. Top of the morning, Lucky J. Hold up. Let's see. LT, good morning. Young Zo, good morning. Elegant Boom, good morning. Hold on, let me see. Okay, we woke up. Hey, I woke up. I'm like, what's up? What's with all these bars? I'm like, yo, they're actually forcing me to stream right now. They said, if I stream, I just might get out. All right, Twanda, good morning. Majada, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, Evil Knievel, good morning, good morning. Bro, I'm so mad. Remember I was talking about Disney with y'all a week or two ago? Yes, I do. I think it was about a week ago. Yeah. But yeah, I remember it. Hey, we just gotta, hey, when we're not in something, we just gotta let it do its thing. Yeah, right before the earnings. Heir to the kingdom. Hey, welcome. This is an interesting first one to click on. Not gonna lie, welcome to the kingdom. Hey, happy to have you here. But this is definitely like, hey, the thumbnail was I'm surprised this is the your first time when that was the thumbnail. But hey, very happy to have you. If you have any questions, anything like that, don't hesitate to ask. We got the stock market opening in 10 minutes. From there, yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. Fridays are usually pretty chill. This is like what this is the second Friday of the month, so not like expectations are low. Good good chance we don't move too much. I, Actually, for me, I would say we probably either don't move too much or we just melt up all day. That's my assumption. But yeah, I got my ranges on everything. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, Tesla already trying to push resistance. And good morning, Master ERC. Good morning. Um, I saw one of your shorts. I'm a new trader. I was looking for understanding. Um, well, yeah, if there's anything here you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask. So, kind of how this typically works, we are looking at the charts. If I take a trade, I will like kind of like talk about it. You won't really see it. Sometimes I'll like come over here and like I'll add an imaginary one, but I actually execute the trades on my phone. TBH, I've been noticing the pattern be sideways zigzag till Thursday. Yeah, they kind of do that. They kind of like to have things in a range. What else we have? SoFi. Levi, how we doing? How we feeling? I'm feeling all right. I woke up in El Salvador, but hey, what can we do? What can we do? Derek, good morning. Hey, Lucky J with the love. Hey, D Scurv. Hey, welcome to the family. I thought you were. But hey, welcome to the family, D Scurv. Hey, that star looks good on you. No, when I saw your short, I was looking for understanding. Oh, appreciate that. Well, I am glad. Wait, which short did you see just out of curiosity? It's like I don't even make shorts like that. Maybe I need to start making shorts. Maybe I'm sleeping on something. Well, actually, I probably am honestly sleeping on shorts. All right, let's see. Can't believe we're trading in El Salvador. I know, right? It's like we're not even supposed to have Wi-Fi here, but hey, it is what it is. Hit that like so we can get out. Oh yeah, be sure to smash the like button, or we'll be here again. Not gonna lie, kind of like the thumbnail a little bit, but uh, let's see. Wolf volume higher than Nvidia. I think I've been really with the trend lines lately. Like trend lines, it's been chill. Been really chill. Like using these trend lines lately. They've been hidden. They've been making things clear, and like it's just straight money right there. 8% volume at 52 head up to work. At 5-2 head up to work. When it's might to check May in Apple. Good morning, M-Sense. That's it. Hey, top of the morning, C Smooth. Top of the morning, Frank. Top of the morning, Christine. Oops, using my chat. At, oh, okay. You said, will you listen to Stock Talk? Good morning. I don't think so. Kareem, good morning. If not a short, maybe a video. Don't remember. Oh, okay. Hey, no worries. Okay. I'm thinking about playing purely off RSI entry wise. I would. I think it kind of just depends on I guess the timing and how much time you get. The RSI can work. I feel like it's better when you have some time for it. But like if you're on a lower time frame, sometimes like I've seen RSI pretty much at 100 all day in certain situations. So I would just say, oh, maybe be a little careful, but also it works a lot of times. Charles, good morning. I'm in GBP AUD. Okay, how's that going? I don't watch the currencies too closely, but I was there was a point I traded them. Oh yeah, that mic to chat was throwing me off. Man, did you see my last post? You skipped it twice. Okay, okay, so Evil Knievel, I see. Here, let me see. I think there's a way to see your history. Uh, so I see. Last thing I see in the chat, welcome. I see morning. Or did you post something on YouTube? If you're talking about YouTube, I didn't. Let me see. Let me make sure. Check out my subscriptions. Oh, okay. It didn't post anything you wrote. Okay. All right. Do you think you're getting like filtered out or do you think that's on your end? That's so weird. It's like to think that there's stuff being typed in the chat that I'm not seeing. Okay, I mainly look for my plays off the 1 day, 1 year chart. Okay, that should be all right. Young Zo. Hey, like and share, folks. Let the algorithm work. Hey, that's what we want. Don't want to wake up in El Salvador again. Did you leave a link? Oh, interesting. Nelson, good morning. Good morning. All right, so let's see some early bullishness on Tesla. Let's see what's up with this. Tesla's like already oversold, like starting the day off. Let's go to like a 15. Yeah, Tesla's got like a good little stair stepper here. This might be a quick little short. Let's see. I'm not gonna play anything at open, but yeah, I already see this trend line on Tesla kind of going. Oh, you were talking about Moomoo. That's interesting. Was it like a long message you sent about Moomoo? That's like that's so weird. That's really weird though. It's like I'm seeing all your messages now, or I think all your messages. All right, let's Milky Faye, good morning. Oh, you said you downloaded Moomoo and was asking for me to make a tutorial? Yeah, I'll probably get to that. Probably have to, like, what kind of stuff, you said they're lacking badly. What kind of stuff are you trying to do in there? A good one, I'm assuming. Nvidia giant drop. Let's see. All right, we got the market opening in a minute. Oh, Nvidia has been on a solid trend on the 4 hour, but on the day, yeah, they got a solid little drop. Hold up, let's go up to a higher time frame real quick. All right, so market's open. You think Tesla going down and open? Let's just follow the trend. Tesla has a clear trend kind of going on. We'll just ride the trend on Tesla, see how it goes. Or maybe let's go to a 15 or 10 minute. Okay, so yeah, let me try to see if we can get this trend line drawn on Nvidia because they have a ever so clear trend line or trend going. Let's see. Drop down to a 15. No, forget Nvidia for now. I don't like that one as much. Sir, where are you? I'm in Dallas. All right, so yeah, look at Tesla go. Let's see. So Tesla's running to its little. Yeah, Tesla's running. It has supply up here. All right, let's see if we can find something else with Apple. Let's see what's going on with Apple. Okay. Okay, let's drop down. See if they got anything going on today. It's like everything's taking off right now. So we might have to give like time for them, like kind of like yesterday. We got to give time for things to go on. Hold on, I got an alert on Palantir too. Hold up. Palantir actually looks like it has like a little downtrend going now. Let me zoom in on the SPY as well. SPY is just straight chilling right now. Got some alerts going off. Stocks rise after Trump hints that many trade deals are close. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Apple is pumping. Yeah, we're pumping. If we decide to just pump, I'm not sure that we're gonna be able to. We're gonna have to like It's like the way I see like these pumps is you can either go in and try to like grab something for upside, or you can play patience. But it's like me, I'm gonna play patience. Yeah, I'm gonna go up to like a 30 minute. There's too much going on right now. I went to Robinhood. I was supposed to go to Palantir. All right. Did you told Trump? Yeah, he told everyone to invest. We got in on that. I think we kind of got in like oh we pretty much I didn't get in right at the bottom. I noticed like that was a good entry, but I don't think we got in until around like 564, and I think rode it up to like mid like 568.50 or so. Do you trade XRP? I do sometimes, but I'm gonna say I rarely do it. Like that, if I don't do it on stream, it'll be like if I'm really just like, oh yeah, things are hot right now, they're moving, and I'm just not doing anything on the weekend. I see opportunity. I'm like, oh, is that a good level? I'm like, yeah, let me pick something up here, but not really. Desert Air dudes. Okay, must have been getting filtered. Doesn't make sense. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, Evil Knievel. I see you on your other account. Sonya, good morning. Gil, you said where am I getting my news? I don't know. I get news on CNBC. I get news on Forex Factory. I get news on Moomoo. I get news like kind of just all over, and then like I get a lot of news from the chat as well. Do I hold the actual? Not at the moment. There was a point in time I was, but at the moment I'm not. Here, let's see. All right, so we got Palantir like at support right now. Apple and Tesla kind of just jumped out the gym. Dorothy, good morning. Yeah, it's been a minute. My comments don't show up either, bro. They're suppressing y'all. Here, let me see it. Let me make sure I don't have any filters. Hold up. Let's see. Oh, I don't see any like filters turned on for like the actual chat for the stream, so I don't know why y'all's comments don't show up. All right. What I was saying though, I just need a deep dive into Moomoo. I'd like to see how to set up a stop loss. That's one thing. I think I have a video on it. Like I think I specifically have one for Moomoo, but are you're talking about for options or for? I'm assuming you're talking about for options and not just stocks. Okay, you said meta spiking too. Um, Affirm is yeah, I saw Affirm sold off. Any advice for low options today? Uh, right now we just gotta like wait for the market to chill out, and it's like after things calm down, after the dust kind of settles, we just kind of find what's trending. It's like first thing is we want to give the market time to establish a trend, see what's going on, kind of like we might possibly have a little downtrend here on Palantir. It's like ideally you just identify a trend and like whenever it gets to support or resistance, kind of go for it. I'm gonna watch your video today on how to trade on Moomoo. I think I legit just go over how to buy a call option and how to sell it or something like that in that video. I could probably need to do an updated one sooner or later. But yeah, I probably need to do like another one just cuz that's what I'm using for the 52-week challenge. Yeah, it's like heir to the kingdom. It's like I know XRP is supposed to be another big one. And it's like actually I do have a little bit. Nothing crazy, but it's like right now I'm more focused on like what I know. And it's like once I get to a point of excess, it's like I'll start doing that, but right now I'm trying to like build it cuz it's like there are plenty of ways to make money. And it's like it would have been nice if I had Bitcoin, but it's like there are plenty of different methods to get there. And it's like while that might be an easy way to get there, I don't have to necessarily do that. You said, but it's on the phone. I have a desktop version of Moomoo. Ah, I had that too. I hope they updated it because I haven't. I don't know. I think I found the Weeble desktop to be better back when I used to use it. I don't love desktop, but yeah, it's like so I have TradingView. One thing that you can do with TradingView is I think it might be down here. Oh, wrong button. I saw that somewhere down here. Let me see. Where is it? Oh yeah, like down here you can see all these are different brokers that you can connect to TradingView. So personally for me, I feel like I would rather like trade on Moomoo or TradingView for Moomoo as opposed on trading on Moomoo for trading. But I can take another look at it at some point. It's just not anything that I just know how to do, if I'm being real, because I don't really do it. All right, so Apple, hold up, just looking right now. Apple looks like it is. Oh no, it didn't cross yet. But yeah, Apple showed some liquidity. Palantir. All right, here, let's actually go down to a lower time frame for Palantir. So if Palantir stays down here, that's going to be confirmation to the downside for Palantir. Wacky Scissor said, what trades have you done so far? I haven't done any trades. The market's been open 11 minutes. Ideally, spend more time waiting. Apple is waiting for, or is testing support for the trend line. So when it I don't know whether to call you Desert Air Dudes or Evil Knievel, but it's like I'm gonna let you know I don't do either. So when I trade with Moomoo, I trade on my phone. So it would probably just be easiest for me to do a Moomoo tutorial, like a Moomoo desktop tutorial, but I need to like actually learn how to use it because it's not something that I really use. XOM. What about XO? What about Exxon? Well, let's go. Good morning. You can look at SoFi. So SoFi, the range. Oh, it's yeah. SoFi looks like it might be breaking out. All right, let's see. All right, so SoFi is above resistance. There's some liquidity to be swept at 1347, so we'll want to see how it does there. But yeah, if SoFi powers on, then good. Otherwise, this is going to serve as resistance, so we'll have to see. Kelly, okay, cool, cool. All right, I'll try to. It might take a few times, but I'll try to remember that, Kelly. Where is support for Palantir? So I had Palantir support at like 118. Next level of support's about 116. Oh, you said you think Exxon might go? All right, hold on real quick. SoFi looks like it is being rejected for the short term. I can't really say anything about Exxon on the day, but on the 15 minute, it looks like it's in a downtrend for now. But yeah, Exxon on the day, that looks like more of a like a swing trade or something. What did I just have up here? All right, Palantir. All right, let's see. Do I need to switch Moomoo from margin to cash account after having more than 25K I want to do? Honestly, I'm gonna be real. I don't even like. I don't fully know because I have like a weird kind of account with them. Let me see what I don't even know. Like my account is I guess I have a margin account. I don't know. I remember them saying like I had some kind of like weird account. I might have two Moomoo accounts. I'm not sure. I have a margin account. I've never like switched my account, so honestly, I can't really tell you. It's like I just trade on a margin account. I don't even know how to switch my account on here. So yeah, I can't answer that question, George. Um, but if you want to do more day trades and you have 25K and it's like limiting you to the amount, then the answer would be yes. Um, Good morning. I'm brand new to options trading. How would you recommend starting? I got a whole playlist. Here, I'll drop the playlist for you. It's like starts by like teaching you how to like read the charts and technical analysis and stuff. And then it kind of gets into it gets into options a few videos in. So I'm gonna drop that link in the chat real quick. There it is. All right, let's. You said Honest is still ripping? Oh, I might have to go in for another one. Oh yeah, let it rip up. Hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch this because I might wanna get another. or sell another call. Hold on, let me look at it real quick. Let's see. Uh, Actually, I feel like I kind of want to see how it does here. I don't think I want to. So it was 564. Okay, so it swept that. So the next area I might want to sell from would probably be around like 580 or here. I'm gonna just slide this up. Yeah, $6 might be the next place I try to sell some premium. Go 605. All right, let's see. Ken, good morning. Tesla, is there news? I have no idea. Let's see. 2 hours ago, Trump suggests China tariffs could be lowered. Tesla supplier laying off 10,000. Panasonic. So there's a combination of layoffs, which means Tesla's balance sheet is going to get better, as well as Trump saying China tariffs could be lowered. Both those things are positive for Tesla, so that could be a reason. Um, Honestly, in my eyes, a short at like 305 seems kind of nice on Tesla, but I wouldn't go like too big on it. I had margin for a year, but switched to cash yesterday in Robinhood so I could have unlimited day trades and still get lending shares and cash sweep. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know. I don't even know what I was gonna say. But no, I like any account that I have like access to. Is it level 2 or level 3? Oh, I want to say like any account I have access to level 2. I personally prefer to be I personally prefer to be what is it? I personally prefer to be a margin account, but that's just me. Oh crap, you just reminded me I have a margin account too. Yeah, I have a margin account on. Yeah, Moomoo. Dwight, good morning. Just call them, they pick up quick. What about TSLQ? Are you trying to short Tesla right now? Well, yeah, I guess this would be a cool thing to buy into whenever like they kind of top out. So yeah, that might, I don't know. It's a little different because it's a decaying asset a little bit. So it's like when Tesla was at, let's see. Oh wait, let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so when Tesla was over here at like the last time Tesla was at 305, TSLQ was at like 40. Oh, this is a perfect example of like how these leverage ETFs are kind of decaying assets. So yeah, like legit, I guess like about a month ago, Tesla was at this level. If it hits that level today, or well, Tesla was at this level, and when Tesla was at this level, this stock was trading at 40. All right, if Tesla It looks like today, if Tesla gets anywhere near that, this stock will be down around, I don't know, 22, 20, something like that. So it's okay, hold up. The SPY is oh, it's testing the trend line. It looks like it's trying to break. Honestly, this wouldn't be a trade I took though. It's not a trade I take cuz the last touch is probably the support's still at like 65. So I would rather pick up around 64. That's like I'm gonna need some more time before I really do anything. I'll probably need like at least an hour. I wanna know that I want the larger move if there is one. Is it margin or cash account? Mine is a margin. I'll do a couple day trades and see if it counts against my PDT. If you have a cash account, it's going to it's not going to count against your PDT. But if you have a margin, then yeah. I read that margin accounts can be dangerous. Um, it's if you are trading using margin, it can be dangerous. So margin accounts, they give you the ability to borrow money, but if you're just trading your own money, then it's not dangerous. Like in a margin account, if I have 25,000, I could borrow an additional 25,000, and on top of that, I pay interest on that money I borrow. So it's like it's good whenever the stocks are going up because if you own like 50,000 of a stock and it's going up, that's cool. But if you own 50,000 of a stock and actually only own 25,000 of it, and it's like everything that you're kind of going down, it's like, oh dang, you're taking a loss, and like the other company, they're just going to get their money back from you, and if you draw back too much, they're going to do what's called a margin call, and they're either going to sell out the shares for you, and most of the time not at a favorable price, or they're going to make you put more money in. Sell those calls, brother. TTD pop on earnings. Oh yeah, that was something I wanted to. Bro, I thought I had a lot more TTD shares. I did not. I looked at my portfolio last night. I was like, yo, I should be doing good. And then I was like, oh dang, I only had $1 of TTD. I just bought a fractional share so I could like track it, but I never actually like bought into it. So my TTD right now, bro, my average cost is like I'm up 25% on it, but yeah, I only had $1. Or I'm up 20%. I'm up 25% on the day. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Hey, D community, good morning. What's ripping up? Honestly, there's a lot of things, but I think we're talking about the trade desk right now. So yeah, this one is probably going to be a good swing right here. The trade desk, yeah. This one, I was looking at this on the weekly right now. This one's probably about to take off. Some good. That one's good for weekly calls right now. So you said. So are you saying all ETFs are decaying assets? No. It's just the leverage ETF. So like if we look, the SPY is considered to be a ETF. This is not a decaying asset. If we look at QQQ, this is an ETF. Here, we're going to go up to the 4-hour just so I can kind of show. But yeah, if we look at QQQ and look at the SPY here. I'm gonna go up to 6 charts. But yeah, we got SPY here, we got QQQ here, and right here beside QQQ, I'm gonna put its leverage ETF, which is going to be TQQQ. All right, so this is here. Let me get rid of that. So this is here. We'll go to a weekly chart too. Okay, so this is the weekly on TQQQ. Let me kind of turn that off. Go to the weekly on QQQ. All right, so these stocks or these companies and whatnot, they are identical. Their charts and whatnot, they move identical. But you might notice that its expansion and whatnot is not the same. So right here on the Qs, it has a high, like it at this point in time on December 16th, that week, it made a high of 537.04, and that's the highest it was at that point in time. And then it goes on to make another high over here at 540. So it goes on to make a high at that same point in time. If we look at the Qs, when the S or TQQQ, it made a high of 93.57 that day, that first high. But when QQQ made its higher high, it made a high of 90.61. So while this one went higher, this one didn't go as high, but they still kind of mirror each other. So that's kind of how it's decaying. This one is always going to be valued kind of the same. All right, let's see. So margin is okay if you're using your, yeah, it's all good until you're using your own money. Margin has more benefits. It's like if your account is larger than 25K, there's no reason not to use margin, unless you just know like you're going to be trying to, unless you know yourself and you're like, if I have access to borrow someone else's money, I'm going to use it, and it's best that I don't. But other than that, there's like no reason to not use margin, because you are open, like you have the ability to use more strategies and whatnot when you're trading. A swing to the upside, yeah, I would say a solid swing. I mean, this would be like a long term swing, like you can probably buy TTD right here, and it'll probably go on a ride till at least 120. Like this is a good swing. Like you can buy the share, and it'll probably, like I would say like in a couple months it'll probably hit 120. Like that's a solid return right there on the, yeah, on some shares. Like if it goes to 120 from here, that's a 62% return. So like, yeah, just on some stocks, yeah, that's good. Speaking of ETFs, BidX is a solid one for crypto. I have made money. Hey, good stuff. Crypto has been rallying for the last, yes, it is. Bitcoin is yeah, let's go back to that. Yeah, it's almost at all-time highs again. It's currently back above that original trend line it was kind of trading at, or it's at it right now. Yeah, it's almost at like its old resistance. So yeah, it's kind of going for it. All right, so Tesla is almost, yeah, Tesla is almost where that liquidity is, almost there to sweep it. We might be approaching a spot where it may potentially be a spot to take a short. we're either gonna like rip up just continuously, or this is gonna be a good level for a short. I'm targeting 110 for Bitcoin, possibly to take small profit. Welcome, Black Butterfly. Margin opens doors. It does, but it also ruins lives as well. So yeah, just be aware of that. Only problem with margin is lose making money from lending shares, and cash sweep for me is extra 3K. You should still be able to. I have margin accounts. I believe I'm able to lend shares. Hold up, I have share lending. Hold up, let me make sure. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to get the answer to this margin question now. Yeah, yeah. So you should still be able to lend your shares. Cause I was like, yo, I'm pretty sure I lend my shares. I have a margin account, so you should still have access to that, whether you're in a margin account or not. But making an extra 3 to 5K a month, that's solid. Off of lending shares, yeah, that's nice. Ponies up 30. Yeah, let's see, 30 on the day. Oh, just 30. Okay. I was about to say, I was gonna say if it was up 30 on the day, hey, but that's good. That's good. Still going. Let's see. To the 53 lurkers in the closet, I'm trying to avoid El Salvador on Monday. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. This is a good time to say, yo, a lot of fun putting this thumbnail here. But it was so El Salvador. Hold on. Let me hold on. I'm just trying to find a trading app beyond Robinhood. I'm calling Moomoo support to see what they can do for me. I think I have their number in the description if you need that. But I'm gonna be real. Most supports are not where it's at in my eyes. Like they're very annoying. Let's see. Apple testing 200 again. XRP is operating a day behind Bitcoin. I bought Doge way back. I don't know if I should hold or sell minis. So yeah, I Doge was like a meme coin. The people who created it as a joke, but I don't know. It's surprising to me that it even had that one run that a while ago. It's like people mine it so much that it shouldn't be able to go up, but I lost my lending shares last month because I got flagged for PDT and had to get. Oh, okay. That's wild. I didn't even know they would do that. All right, what does being okay? So El Salvador, let me show you real quick. It's like the world's most notorious prison. It's just here, let me pull up some images. So these are some images from CCOT in El Salvador. It's like the world's most notorious prison. They pretty much say whenever this is a prison like you go to, and when you go to it, like there is no like leave date. You're here for the rest of your life, pretty much. I think this is the one I used for my thumbnail, but It's just a joke. If we don't hit the likes, it's like, oh yeah, if we don't hit the likes, we're going to El Salvador. They have so right now they have like an average of 80 people being held in a cell, and 80 people held in a cell, and they have like two toilets per cell. It's just prison with really bad conditions. All right, let's see. I was on the phone with Robinhood for 30 minutes getting the full explanation, so I switched to cash to trade unlimited and still get lending shares. Well, thank you very much, Christine. All right, hold up. Let me zoom in on Tesla. Tesla looks like, let me see if we got like a steeper trend. Here, let's see if we can draw a steeper trend line on Tesla. Let's see how that holds up. Let's check a 2 minute. Oh, hold up. Yeah, let's see how that holds up. Or maybe, have Dogecoin as well. It's worth holding, in my opinion. Usually outpace altcoins. Kim, hello. Velo, hello. Why do you prefer the 4 hour? So I like the 4 hour because it's like the perfect time frame for like swing trading. It's like typically whatever time frame you're looking at is going to be it's kind of whatever time you see the setup on. Like if I see like a certain formation on the 5 minute, then it's like, okay, this is going to probably play out pretty quick. But if I see it on a 1 hour, it's like, okay, it might take about a day. If I see it on a 4 hour, that's like short term swinging. Like it can take anywhere from a day up to like 10 days. And like me, I like to be a little bit more relaxed and not have to like just watch my trade and eyeball it. So that's why I like the 4 hour most. All right, so Tesla looks like this is a 2 minute, but it's looking like it might. And let me see what it's looking like on the 5. I want a margin account, to be honest. I think it's going to depend on how much you trade. So I do that thing where I make certain trades free once they move enough, or like for the challenge account, I just trade with it like hopefully only once a week. So because of only trading with it once a week, I don't need all those day trades. It kind of helps keep me in line and keeps me from over trading. But if you're trying to be quick, like if you're trying to make those moves every day, then it's going to hold you back unless you have 25K in it. But I'm not going to lie. I've been back and forth between the margin and cash account. Like it's like when I have a cash account, it's like I want a margin. When I have a margin, I want a cash. But I think what works best for me overall and what has the most benefit to me is a margin account. So that's kind of the one I stick with now, like after all the flip flopping. In Moomoo, you must have 150 in liquid assets to trade options. Uh, I I do not have 150K in liquid assets, but I can trade options on Moomoo. I might have to like take some friends' accounts and like test it and see if that's true, because it's like I notice a lot of people Like they can answer questions exactly like how I did when I first signed up for Robinhood, and they won't get approved for options trading. So it's like I know things have gotten more strict. Like when it comes to interactive brokers, they don't approve me, and it's like when I answer the questions, it's like, yo, I have like 6 years of options trading experience, and they're like, they won't even let me like purchase leverage ETFs. I'm like, yo. So I don't know. They say like I'm too inexperienced. So I don't know. Asar, peace and blessings. I heard Moomoo has good support. I'll let you know. I appreciate that. Was it Kelly? Yeah, appreciate that, Kelly. Made $25 this morning buying, then selling hood stock. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. That's some good lunch money right there. Mara's going for it. Let's see. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, it's doing its thing. It's doing the thing. Hold up. Let me check in on Riot. I think I have like a random call on Riot. Oh no, Riot's not quite moving. Like I think I am way, way away from my random call. Let me see. Oh yeah, my random call. I got it so long ago. It has about a little over a month till it expires though. But it's so far away. Earnings, Pony, May 20th. So Pony did a deal with wasn't it like Uber? So I don't know if you pair that with earnings, then maybe. Is SoFi still moving up? Let's see. Where's SoFi? Oh, there we go. SoFi is still struggling to get above resistance. Oh yeah, Tesla might be. Yeah, it looks like it might be getting primed for a little downside move. How big? Let me see what their options are looking like. Let's see. View all options. Oh, I can't look on here. So, oh, hold up. Oh no, it's kind of priced. Nah, yeah, it's still not worth it. I'm not gonna watch Tesla. It's like I see the move. It might have a little pullback, but nah, it doesn't. Like even the dailies don't look like they're worth it. So I was kind of wasting my time looking at that. Let's look at Boeing. Nope, they had a good move yesterday. Today they look like they're all over the place. So yeah, we got SoFi right here. SoFi is still consolidating. So until like SoFi like actually confirms and like pushes up, then the range on SoFi is going to be from like 1340 down to 13. But yeah, I'm watching SoFi. You said, is this a good time for a short on Tesla? It looks like it potentially. So yeah, it's on the bottom side of this trend line that I have drawn. So it can move up higher and like retest it. Like if it retests on this candle, that would be up to like 307. But ideally, we get a pullback to at least like 300 or so from here. But also, like higher time frame, yeah, this might be a good. This is honestly, hold up. This is yeah, it's still a good. Let me look at Tesla. Let me see if I can grab something wild. next week. How low is this move over here? Yeah, I'm gonna grab something wild on Tesla. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna grab like a Tesla 245 put that expires next week. I'm gonna actually grab that, yeah. Just because this is I did say like next time we came here, like we were coming down and we kept pulling up over here and I was like, "Oh, next time we come up here, I'm for sure taking something." And like it would yeah, it wouldn't be I would not be respecting myself if I didn't do that. We're still on the bottom side of this trend line. This is a strong demand zone. Last time slapped us down to this low at 213. I'm not sure if it'll have the pace, but we'll hop in on that trade. So yeah, that's probably gonna be my trade. That way I don't need to find a day trade. But honestly, this could potentially like it has good potential. Let me share that with the family real quick. Real quick. And then honestly, I'm probably like we can probably watch stuff, but I'm probably not gonna like take any other trades. This is probably gonna be a swing for me. I think I'm willing to hold it till Tuesday just to see if we make any progress. It'd be nice to like if we wanted to where like move down to where we open the day today. That would be cool. But I feel like yeah, looking on that 4 hour, this is a like a really good entry on Tesla. I still need to alert the family. 1 second. So Discord. Just grabbed a, what was the strike? 245. Tesla put expiring May 16th, paid 41 per share. All right, got that in there. And here, let's add it to the watch list real quick too. So yeah, what is it? Got like a 245? Yeah, 245. Oh, it was a put. Yeah, that call was expensive. Oh, it's already up. Wait, okay. There we go. Add that to the watch list. Where's it at? All right. Cool. Tesla is where my interest is. All right. Let's get back to the chat. All right, y'all. I would encourage y'all. Hey, add that Tesla play to your watch list. See how it does over the next week, and then look at where we're buying this. We are in a supply zone. This is based off the 4 hour chart. We swept liquidity. There's a trend line here. So yeah, this is there is strength to this trade. And then also we're not like fully oversold, but like we're right here, or we're not fully overbought, but we're right here. Actually, I think we were overbought whenever we were up here. But yeah, we're like right here, like in overbought territory on the RSI as well. So yeah, let's see how that develops. I'll probably be out of the trade before it like if it really goes crazy, I'll probably be out before it like really moves, but there is potential for that. Like, knowing Trump and everything over the weekend, something escalates. And um, what are your thoughts on Ford? I think I'm think short position. Here, let's see. I don't know. Ford moves very slowly. Right now, I I don't know. It's not at a level where it needs to be shorted. Like it's not at any extremes or anything. It's legit in the middle for like every single time frame it's on. Yeah, it was like overbought on the day. But yeah, Ford has like a 13-cent range, so honestly, I'm gonna say it's tough. That's a hard one to trade in my opinion. I'm not I can't really say much about it. What do you think about Meta today? Meta, yeah, it looks like it's testing support. It looks like it might go and break support. So yeah, everything looks like it's, or at least like Meta looks like it's coming down. SoFi looks like it's heading towards its let's see how it does right here. But below here, SoFi is probably going to 13. Like it's probably going to head to support. So yeah, if Meta doesn't hold up here, it's probably going to make a move down, like, or head down more. But this could also be the bottom for the day too on Meta, just because this is kind of like where its pre-range was, but we got the SPY selling off on this or selling down on this trend line. There's some liquidity down pretty close to 564, so it could come close to 564 as well. Here, Kelly said I have like three names. Oh no, it's all good. It's all good, Kelly. I got you. I got you. I got you locked in. You're all good. I just need to know to associate desert air dudes with evil Knievel. That's all. That's all. Cause desert air dudes just like it's one color, but then evil Knievel is like orange. So it's like I associate you with orange, and that's the hard part for me. It's like I see a color, and I'm like, oh, but that's the tough part. Indices sliding down. All right, yeah. So we're approaching support here at honestly we're quickly kind of approaching. So let me see if there's anything on like the news wire on Moomoo or anything. Let's see. I don't see anything. Trump floats. Yeah, I don't see anything. See derive with the QQQ put. Let's see. It's at 480 or 488. It's targeting about where it is. So it looks like it's just targeting support. So this might be like we might not really, this might be the move for today. We might just be range bound. But if we are, this is going to be a good level to pick up, like right where it is. But otherwise, if we continue going, then you know it could keep going. Let's see. Took the Tesla put, I believe. C Smooth. The only thing. Wait, hold up. 1 second. What do you think? Okay. Just read the Moomoo account types. Margin allows unlimited day trades with other. Yeah, sounds right, George. Hood. Hood's like up 50 cents on the day. It was doing pretty well this morning. So Hood's been doing well because of Bitcoin. Took the Tesla put, I believe. Only thing I would say about the Tesla put, I would like to have more time on it. Like ideally, get like an extra week or two. But I don't have it like that right now. Tesla is expensive, so I'm hoping that there can be some kind of move either today or over the weekend, and then we'll kind of see. Yeah, it was a 245 put on Tesla. Uh, my limit price was like 41. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Status on Spy. Spy. Okay, so Spy and the Qs. Spy is at support. Qs is at support. They both kind of like dipped a little past, but nothing like no confirmation here. We'll go to like a 5 minute, see how they're doing. Honestly, Tesla's still holding up pretty strong. All right, let's see. So the Tesla put, I paid 41 for it. You said thoughts on Hood, may have missed it. Let's see. So I think Robinhood's gonna move like Bitcoin right now. So here, let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. So yeah, Robinhood and Bitcoin are gonna move very similarly. So honestly, I can't really say much. It's like, what do you think Bitcoin is gonna do? It looks like it might get rejected at this level. If that's the case, like there is the possibility of rejection at this because this is a trend line. Like we got the break and kind of retest. It's like it might take a little bit more time to figure out because this was on like a weekly chart. But it's like the real question is this gonna be a break or we retest week? All right, because this candle for Bitcoin doesn't close until like Sunday. So right now with Robinhood, oh, it's just tied to Bitcoin. So all right, so as of right now, looking at the Qs and whatnot, the Qs in the SPY, as of right now, showing support. Like it's still stringing black candles, but it showed a little support at that support level. So we'll see. You mind checking Barrick Gold Corp? Alam. What's the ticker for Barrick Gold Corp? Barrick. Is it B? Is this it? Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about this. It's up in like overbought territory. No, I don't. I have no idea what to say about it. It's like the chart is interesting. So it's like if I were a computer, this for me this does not compute for me. Um, But yeah, if it's gold, it's like the more fearful the market's going to be, the more this is going to go up. But beyond that, I don't really know. I just earned a good percentage from Meta, but hey, good stuff. Let's see. Where's Meta? Did they break or did they find support? Zoom back in. Oh, they might keep moving. Meta. Maybe. Maybe. Or maybe their support was down here instead. Google just tanks. IWM at low a day. Got a SPY put yesterday. You get it at when we were at like 570? If so, hey, get paid. Get paid, family. Yeah, I was definitely like feeling that idea of a SPY put yesterday. I didn't do it, but I was like definitely feeling it. Would you buy a call for SPY now then? Nah, cause it's different. Cause the SPY, this isn't a this area. This is a large sell off area. I was like, it's like for me, if it came to 570.80, that would have been like a more perfect kind of like oh yeah, let me go in small on a put and it'll go like come down a lot more, kind of like what I'm doing with Tesla, because they're every or at least SPY and Tesla are in strong sell-off zones. Last time SPY touched this high over here, it went on to pretty much create this range down to 483. Okay, so we're selling off. We're selling off. All right. Yeah, the Q's is yeah, there's some strength, or at least it's pushing. It's pushing. All right, so this will be an interesting day. All right. Do you mind looking at rum? Oh, it's been a minute. Let's see. Nah, family, I got you. Okay, what's going on with rum? Okay, that's the 4 hour. Did they just have earnings? They had earnings like I guess that was yesterday. All right, so let's go on at 15. Were their earnings good? It's like I tried to use Rumble once. I was like, I don't really enjoy this. Okay, Tesla's selling off. Okay, but the okay now the contract moved a little bit. As it gets closer to the money, it might move a little more. But rum, I mean, first off, highly oversold. Can't really. I would say I can't really draw like a good trend line, and if I could, like on the 5 minute, it crossed over here. So I might wait. What is this from? What is this? Was this from before or was this? Oh, I feel like this might end up getting slapped down on rum. Honestly, I feel like rum's coming back down, but I would say it's feeling right now. It is overbought, but this is a lower time frame. But yeah, I don't think this is going to live longer or long. If we go to the 4 hour, I think this is just going to be a big wick. Yeah, so there's just going to be some liquidity up there, and then yeah, because I think the market's just bringing it on down. Thoughts on SoFi? So I said it already, but yeah, SoFi likely on its way to test its 13 now. I was saying at 13.25. I'm like, yeah, if it falls below this, it's coming down to 13. Below 13, I think the next level is like 1280 to like maybe 1260 or something. But yeah, it's on its way down. All right, it's probably definitely in a downward trend. Yeah, that's why it's good to like wait a little bit. All right, so we're now. All right, we got this trend line entry. What was it? Like that was about 45 minutes into the market open. But yeah, it's working. So it looks like from here next kind of area to look out for would be like I guess like 560 on the SPY, maybe like 562.50 or so. Yeah, that lines up. Oh yeah, let me check on oh yeah. Yeah, Meta lost that level. Whoever was asking about it earlier is going, do you think after this SoFi, this gap, we will reverse on SoFi? Hold up. When you say this gap, oh, you mean this one? Um, oh wait, hold on. I'm on a lower time frame. Let's look. I don't know, cause I still have a buy order for SoFi at like 9 or something. Like I have like my position on SoFi will like I'll be all up in there once SoFi's at 9. It's like, yo, I'm gonna start being able to sell premium on those too. But I think SoFi still has like I still have SoFi coming back to this $8 level at some point. So it's like where it is right now. If SoFi wants to go up, it can go up. But I personally have been feeling like SoFi's been like when we had this little up move after earnings, or like this move up and then this move up before earnings, it's like I haven't really heard anything that is like making SoFi where SoFi should be doing this good in the short term, personally. But yeah, I think SoFi could bounce, but I think it's going to depend on what the market's doing too. Do you think it'd be wise to short my crypto mining stock, i.e. Mara, since we're yeah, this would be a good level for it in my eyes. Let me see where. Yeah, ideally, yeah, it was oversold. So yeah, like if we were like young Zoe and just looking at the RSI, like even if you just look at the RSI, yeah, that probably would have that probably do you some good. Cause it's like if you look at every time that it's gone oversold or gone overbought, like every time that it's gone on overbought, there has been an opportunity to like a solid opportunity to short it. So just kind of looking at the history and statistics, it's a decent move. All right, family, I'm gonna ask this one more time, or I'm gonna state this one more time. Yo, just to those of you that are unaware, those of you lurking around, apparently there's about 18 of you lurking in the. I don't know if you're maybe just lurking around my voice, lurking. Maybe you see what's going on the stream. Maybe just lurking. Maybe you got your cursor already just chilling there. But there is just below the video on this stream, there is a button is kind of shaped like, I don't know if you see the video, but right there it's shaped like that, shaped like a thumb, the thumb up. There's one that goes down, there's one that goes up. Ideally, we're interacting with the one that goes up, but hold up, it looks like we're finding a little support right now in the market. Um, Looks like we're finding a little support. Yeah, yep, yep. There's a little support there. Hold on, let me go on. Let me go to a 15-minute though. All right, we're still down on the 15-minute, but found some like short support. See how this continues on. All right, but yeah, there's a. Oh yeah, appreciate that, Jason. Appreciate you, Lucky J. Okay, okay. All right, we got 6 lurkers now. 6 lurkers. Okay. We said we don't want to be lurkers. We want to be likers. We don't want to be back in El Salvador. I gotta remember to change that thumbnail now. Maybe I might need to remember to change that thumbnail. I don't know. Hey, maybe next time. Maybe next time it'll be Alcatraz. Who knows? I don't mean the tourist Alcatraz. I mean like the back in the day Alcatraz. Or the future Alcatraz. Apparently, Alcatraz isn't going to be able to be as bad now as it was, but it's still going to be able to be bad. Like, I think because of laws, we can't make things as bad at Alcatraz as it is for prisoners at CCOT. But you said no, not Alcatraz. Did you watch the movie? No, I didn't yet. I haven't had time to watch any movies yet. But I definitely lost. I definitely lost them. But I know it was why can't I think of his name? I know his name. I'm gonna try to say his name before I look at the chat. Bro, I know his name. Now I'm gonna look. Share, share, share. I appreciate you, Heir to the Kingdom. I was 21 now. I appreciate that, Incense. Thoughts on Robinhood Legend? I don't know. It's honestly it's been a minute since I've looked at it, but when I saw it, I personally wasn't too impressed. Um, yeah, I personally wasn't too. Clint Eastwood. Yeah, that was not going to come to my name right away, but or to my mind right away, but yeah, Clint Eastwood. But I think Robinhood Legend is cool for like I don't know. It's like it's hard to like after you taste a certain level of luxury, it's hard to go down. Like it's hard to deflate your lifestyle. So because of that, like I think coming from a newer place, Robinhood Legends is cool. But it's like on coming from TradingView, it's like I see a lot that they're lacking. But no, Robinhood Legend is cool that it's all free and it's cool that they provide some of that provided. But to me, I just unfortunately I I just see the flaws. Even though I'm one to typically try to focus on the good in people, when it comes to the platform, unfortunately I don't see it that way. So oh shoot, we did it. We did it. Okay. Hey, no El Salvador on Monday. Okay. Hey, we might be the first people to ever make it out of El Salvador alive. Let's get it. All right, let's see. What do you like to do with your free time? Um, so I like workout. I run. I like to play games. Like my wife and I like to play games, like legit games, like whether it's board games or whatever, like active pickleball. Oh, it's just active or like hang out with friends. Usually involves some sort of activity. I want to say like I'm not sure if it was last weekend or the weekend before. We went to this place. It's called Activate. It's kind of like Loki. I might be able to. Here, let me see if they got social media. Let's see. Here's like one. Yeah, we went to a place. This place, they have like a lot of other things. They got like basketball and like other like interactive games, laser mazes, and like things where you climb, hide, all that stuff. But yeah, we like games and stuff like that. Just having fun, being a kid. I do a lot of product reviews too. I like to like build and put stuff together. It's like just whatever. I do a lot of stuff. But I would say I'm limited on free time. I would say like a lot of my time is allocated somehow. In the line of fire. Let me write that on a sticky note. Cause it's like I close out these tabs on my computer. But the sticky note, it stays. In the line of fire. There we go. My sticky notes either get translated or transported to notes or my notepad, or not notepad, my little journal thing, or they get thrown away because I completed whatever's on it. So it's in a safe place now. All right, let's see. Why is SoFi dropping? The market was dropping, and then also it had a gap to fill. So it looks like for now with SoFi, where is it? It didn't hold below. Yeah, it just looks like SoFi just filled in the gap. So yeah, we got our little gap fill. We do have a downtrend now though. Let's see. Or here, let's see. Yeah, the downtrend is still in play unless we confirm above this. Yeah, let's check the downtrends. See if we're really done. Actually, the SPY was kind of. Oh wait, that's a 15-minute. Let's see if we're done. If the downtrend's done, you might be able to try to go for a. Yeah, let's see where this candle closes on the SPY. Might be able to go for upside. Taco goat cheese. Wait, taco cheese goat pizza is a fun card game. Let me look it up. Taco cheese goat pizza. Taco cheese. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me add it to the list. Add it to the little Amazon list. Let's see. Let me taco cheese goat. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, and it's under $10. I like to like save the stuff that's under $10, save it for later. That way, like if I have something I need to buy, and it's like, oh yeah, you need like I don't know. Usually it's like, oh, you need to make it $25 in order to get the free shipping. I'm like, yo, let me just add something from it. That'll probably be something that gets added whenever I next need something. So Tesla put if SPY goes up. Oh no, I'm gonna swing the Tesla put over the weekend because this Tesla trade is off the 4 hour chart. So yeah, this is the actually hold up. Oh wait. So actually that pushed it to like 263. So ideally we get a move to like 275 or so. Ideally that would be where the like if we were to chart this trade. So we got in around like 305. Ideally this would be the trade right here. All right, so that is what we would look for. Took your advice, made small profit, and bought 2 shares of Nasdaq. I think it's a good move long term. Very fast paced game. Low key, my wife be winning like the fast paced stuff. But whenever it takes like strategy and time, like anything with strategy, it's like, yo, I'm the guy. But yeah, my wife. But if it's quick and thinking, I got her. But if it's just quickness, you know, she'll get me with the quickness. Chase, good morning. Good morning, Chase. Slow creep to the upside. Yeah, it's looking like we'll probably move back up. So yeah, I could see that. We'll see. We'll see. I could also see us like kind of consolidating here, maybe coming back down to this low and then coming back up, or wait, hold up, wrong time frame. Wrong chart, I mean. Yeah, it really depends. It's possible I drew the trend line too early. Derek, I'm sorry, I've been busy with work, but you said you took a Tesla put. Oh yeah, it's like a really far out of the money Tesla put. I got a 245 Tesla put that expires next week. Probably swing it over the weekend. Hoping for something. Okay. You got her then. It's thinking and fast pace. Completely off topic, but does anyone in here row for their workout? I don't row. There's a like rowing machine in my apartment complex, but I no, I just do like the little low row, like the cable pulls. I think I used to like row sometimes when I was in college for my workouts. I didn't like really have like a plan when I did it though. But I know some people that were like on the SMU like rowing team. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know anything about why do you ask my life be like? No rowing, just boxing, b-ball, Pilates, and pickleball. I got you on the pickleball. Bro, boxing is low key like oh, it's a workout. I got you on basketball too. I'm just like, hey, let it be known if you are ever in a situation where you are playing basketball and you have to pick someone to be on your team and you're looking at me, hey, it's like I passed the look test, but you're gonna be disappointed if you expect me to be cold at basketball. Just know that. Like know that I'm not cold at basketball. Like I'm very goofy when I play. I don't work out. I should though. Hey, at least you know. At least you know. Okay. Like everybody can. It's a part of discipline. It plays over into trading. I'm gonna let y'all know. The amount I run and the success of my trades very heavily correlated. Like I may have noticed like the past few weeks I was off. I also was not running much because I would say I still kind of have the stress fracture, but I've kind of found a way to heal through it. So I've started running more, and my trades are better now. But it's like yeah, the more I run, the oh, it's like the more controlled and like level headed I am. Love rowing. I wanted to add in another video that I could use. Uh, Training tall Austin and his videos are great. Wow. Love boxing also. Gonna back into that. Lift also. Yeah, I'm with it. Love the activity. Always good just to move. And then we gotta work the mobility too. That one's big for me. Oh, hold up, I missed some comments. D community, you said you play chess. Uh, yeah, a little bit. Not like too crazy. Start. I didn't really play chess until recently. My wife and I have like this app. It's like an app with like I think it might be called two player games, and it has a bunch of different games on it, and chess is one of them. And it's like she beats me on there, so it's like I played with the computer a little bit, but I'm not like cold at chess. Um, but like it's like I'm getting to a point where I can beat her on that. I don't know like strategies or anything on that like that with chess. So it's like now I'm at the point where it's like we maybe played like 3 or 4 times. She's ran some strategy, and then I'm just like, okay, I know how these pieces move now, and it's like she used to be me quickly, and now she's like, oh dang, and it's like the last time we played, bro, I had her backed in a corner, and like, bro, it was annoying. The iPad died, so I was about to beat her though. She was like, I don't know, she was like taking like 3 minutes between all her turns and stuff. So it's like I have risen above in that game. Let's see, shadow boxing for 3 to 4 minutes or heavy back. Hey, for real. I remember I used to. I don't know if y'all played that one game on like the Oculus. I forgot what it's called. It's called like I don't know. It's like a boxing thing though, and it's kind of intense. Honestly, that was like the best thing on the Oculus in my opinion. Oculus or the MetaQuest, whatever they call it. I do a lot of mobility stretching, range of motion before even getting out of it. Hey, oh, that's nice. If you did the professional dancing, I'm trying to get to the point where I look like I did. Like I wanna be able to do the splits, all that kind of stuff. I wanna be able to like slap someone with my foot if they I don't say something out of line. Hey, peace out, Kelly. Stay blessed. Yeah, we're kind of. Yeah, I would say we're kind of chilling. So one thing I would watch out for is here. Let's go. Like we got like on a lot of these. Like if we check the 5 EMA or the 5 minute 13 EMA, We're kind of like retesting that. So this could potentially still be like continued downtrend. Like we crossed our trend line. But yeah, this would be the first kind of like target for upside from when we cross the downtrend line. And yeah, a lot of stuff is kind of going that way. Here, let me shrink this Tesla box down because I don't like seeing all that green. Oh, let's see. What will you be doing with Palantir? Your Palantir? Oh yeah, that's probably just gonna close out at a. I think my Palantir expires today, so I think it's gone. Like I don't think I can do anything with it. Yeah, it's trading at like 1 cent per share. So yeah, the Palantir is just gonna expire worthless. I don't. If you're still holding, if you got the exact same one I got and you're still holding it, it's just gonna like if you try to sell it, you're not gonna be able to sell it. So it's just gonna expire and close out. Ouch, Alphabet is tanking because of AI search. That's good. Let's see. Oh, it didn't quite tank like I would have wanted it. Like if it made like if it was coming like lower than it came last time, that'd be nice. Funny you should say that. I can still kick a tall person in their neck. Hey, yeah, that's something you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, gotta open up those hip flexors. Yeah, remind me not to mess with you. Having a heart attack in Tesla putting spy call. Well, the spy call looks like it's gonna still go. The Tesla put I'll say is more it's speculative. Ideally though, if everything works out, we move back up. Oh, we hit this. So yesterday we hit all the targets except for this one right here. Uh, Ideally, we come up, we hit that target, and then we go off for the weekend, and then next thing you know, tensions rise, and then we wake up, and then Tesla's like, "Woo, we're a lot more." The VIX is up really high, and oh, but that would just be if things kind of played out perfectly. So it's like we're in small on the Tesla because it's like we know things can happen, but also things can happen the other way too. It's like I think like when we look at Palantir, I think things would have happened completely different with that if Trump hadn't just said like, "Oh yeah, buy buy stocks now" and all that stuff. So it's like I'm kind of happy either way. I'm more happy to the downside because it's like the stocks I'm buying, they're bought in at better averages, but I'm still happy either way. Oh, okay. On the 4 hour chart, we still look like we're breaking this trend line, but that's a 4 hour chart because we were just down here though. Also looks like liquidity. I feel like I feel like we kind of just stay like where we are now the rest of the day, but we could push up. But honestly, that would be a spy thing to just chill where we are. We'll sit here till Euro close though. We got about like 23 minutes till Euro close. See how that kind of plays out. All right, so Rum's still pushing. Market's closed on the 4th of July, right? So I missed the beginning of the stream. What's going on? So this Rumble had earnings, but we weren't looking at Rumble at the beginning of the stream anyway. Really, they're just going up, trying to see if they can slow down enough to find like where the trend is. But nah, haven't quite been able to find it yet. Derive has an Nvidia swing play. It's down. Do you think it's a good time? Let's see. So the swing here, let's see. Let's take a look. Let's go up to the 4-hour. Here, we're gonna swap out Rum for. Actually, we'll swap out Google. All right. So Nvidia is like, so there's this trend line that's been going for. It's been going since like pretty much the 21st of April. There is a level of resistance right here. No, we got above that level of resistance, so now it's support. Honestly, I don't see anything to necessarily slap it down to like 120, 121. So I feel that it could get higher, but maybe maybe we end up breaking this trend line. If we break the trend line, it's possible. But right now it feels just a little bit early. But let's see what it's targeting. So it says it's about 5 days and it's targeting about anywhere. That's a large range. So anywhere from, okay, so like the target would line up with if it broke this. So it says anywhere from like about 113.50, which is in this area, down to like 111 or so. So yeah, I say like their targets line up for sure. It's just like when it comes to taking the entry, let me see where their entry was. 116.50. So it's actually gotten cheaper since, or it should have gotten cheaper since they first said something. But yeah, I think it kind of comes down to if you get a break here. Let's look at it on a lower time frame. On the day, they have a downward trend. I feel like, here, let's go to a 15. Like we might be able to retest the 117 area. I don't know. But it looks all right. I just think there might be a better entry, which is something that does happen sometimes with Derive, or often with Derive is like there are better entries. That's like the trade probably will work. It's just I would probably look for like a retest of like 117 or something first. Kettle and good morning. I have a question for you. Sometimes I try to buy a call option. They're asking me to unlock the stocks. How to unlock the stock? I don't fully know what that means. I would personally suggest, like, if you're on Robinhood, I would personally suggest chatting with customer support because they can actually see what you're talking about. But or customer support on Moomoo because I never really seen the issue about locking or unlocking stocks on Moomoo. It's an A minus trade. I noticed yesterday all the A's did the dang thing and I missed them all. Yeah, it's like that sometimes. J Love, good morning, good morning. Yeah, so we got 15 minutes till market open. Real quick, let's check in. Also got Fed member Waller speaking in about 15 minutes as well. Where are we at? Okay, let's see. Oh, wait. Sorry, y'all, I'm reading. Okay, let's see. Where are we at? Yeah, it's like we've slowed down a little bit. It might be on Europe to kind of get us going again. All right, let's see. Lyft puts for May 16th. I feel like I saw something about Lyft today. Let's see. Thought I saw like a headline or something. Lyft shares pop 20% after buyback. Okay, so they did buybacks. So that's good for Lyft. We can take a look at it. Let's see. How much did they buy? Okay. Holding 1% withdrew board nominations. Lyft increased stock buyback program to 750 million, boosting its shares by 11. Okay. So when are they going to be buying these shares is the question. Cuz it's like if they're doing a buyback, this could be fueled by some of them buying back their shares. It's like if there's less shares out there. So resistant, okay. Yeah, I would just want it to like slow down a little bit first, because that 4 hour is strong. That 1 hour is still decently strong. Honestly, this might be the spot, but yeah, it's like it's holding up. Let's see what it does on a 5 minute. But unknown. Good morning. Can you peep Netflix and see what it looks like for you? Like for the today's trend, trying to see if I should roll. Let's see. Where's Netflix? Trend wise, Netflix has been in a downtrend since about since 5:30 yesterday. So since the pre-market yesterday, hold up. Let's go to like a 30. Slide that over. Let's go to a 1 hour. Yeah, I would say Netflix is in a downtrend right now. Like even looking at the EMA. That's kind of what I say. Hold up. Is ULTY? If it's leveraged, probably. Let's see. Title trust yield max. So the way this works, it's going to be yes and no. I don't know what is this for? What's this tied to? Through premiums while potentially. Okay, so I don't know which stocks it's specifically doing, but you got a 1.3% expense ratio they're taking from you. I believe it pays out a dividend, right? Let's see. So it pays out a 165% dividend. All right, so the way this works, and something to consider when you're receiving dividends for something. So this is going for 601, right? Over to here, let's look at this. All right, so over time, when we look at the price, like the price is coming down, but you're also receiving money when that happens. Every time a dividend is paid out, the stock will decrease by however much the dividend is paid out. So if this stock was trading at 701 today and they paid out $1 dividend, the stock would be 601 like it is right now. But you will also have received $1 from the stock. So it's like in a sense it's a decaying asset, but I'm not fully sure if it decays the same way because I'm not sure about the yield max. I know it pays like a lot of dividends, so it's like in that sense, yes, it's going to decay. Like if you're just worried about stock price, that's more than likely going to come down over time, unless it's just like there's like a Nvidia yield max ones too. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, maybe this one. I don't even know, but it's like yeah, I'm not sure if it like outside of that it's decaying, because ideally it makes you more money, but right here it says like based on the technicals, it's recommended that it's a sell. Do you think it's a good time to enter SoFi? I think it depends on like what your outlook is. I think there's going to be a better time for calls. Like if you're short on it, like if it's like short term, like looking at the charts, it could be an all right level to get calls. But right now we're riding the 13 EMA down. So maybe this ends up being a trend line, or maybe this is still the trend line, and maybe we just go back and we form a double bottom. We'll kind of just have to see. Yeah, because we're going back to test the lows on things. But like based on a 4 hour, I think SoFi is legit in the middle, right? It's like it's still holding right now on the 4 hour. It's like I wouldn't necessarily, like ideally the call from SoFi would have been like I called it in this area like last week. I'm not sure did I take a call on SoFi, or did I just like call it? I don't know. But it's like oh wait, I think I took a call, but I think I took it like over here. And then it came down. I was like, oh yeah, I'm not trying to do that right now. But yeah, ideally it would come from in here. But it's kind of in an uptrend. But it's like once it goes up here, it's kind of like you're just yeah, it just depends on your outlook, cuz yeah, it's like you're at a level of support though. So depending on how long you're trying to hold it, you can probably get something quick from it. DGZ, good morning. Lift calls this morning. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, Lyft is holding right now. I'm kind of hoping Chase gets some money from it too, cuz it looks like it could pull back, but also it looks like it can like rocket up too. You see how QBTS puts QBTS last time when I was looking at puts, they did me dirty. They took like 10 years to make that move. Let's see. It took longer than a regular. Oh, it's like QBTS has been here before. They are overbought. But that's really all I would say. They're in an uptrend. Yeah, QBTS is in an uptrend. But depending on how quick you are, it's like they could have a move back. It's like if you're looking on the day, oh, they had a trend like over here. Looks like they got support about here, so it looks like if they lose this level they're at right now, you get a complete close below that. Here, let's slide it down just a little bit. So this is either a good spot for a call, or yeah, if you lose this, if you confirm below this, then yeah, it's a decent spot for a put. Lammin, good morning. Good morning. All right, so we're coming in the Euro close. We're selling off a little bit. I'm definitely slouching in my chair. But hey, we're doing all right, doing all right. We will not be in El Salvador on Monday. I don't know. I was kind of semi enjoying the thumbnail a little bit, but I think my wife will appreciate me being back in Texas as opposed to me being in El Salvador. Hey, no problem, Elegant Boom. Oh, hold up. Let me eat some junk. Yeah, it's looking right now. It's looking like support's holding up right now. Oh dang! I had this water here all this time. Definitely could have been hydrating. Oh, I definitely forgot I had electrolytes in there too. What's the range on this SPY today? So we went from like so we opened at like 566, topped at like 567. All right, it's like a $3 range. Oh, Tesla trying to put in a new low. New low since it's made its high. Let's see if we can extend out this trend line. See how it goes. So it looks like 295. If it breaks below that right now, it might come back to around where it opened. Like 290 or so. Oh yeah. That's a little wick right there. Not wick, but that's some selling pressure. Lyft still holding up. QBTS still holding up. Rumble holding up. Rumble almost looks like it wants to make like a maybe Head and Shoulders. We'll see. Yeah, the Q's is back below support though. All right, SPY is back at support too. Yeah, I might want some more downside. Let's see. Let's get it. All right, the VIX is back in the green for the day. Let's get some more downside from Tesla too. QBTS is below the 5-minute EMA. Yeah, let's get it. QBTS is at that support level. SPY at that support level. Yo, we're trying. But it's also everything's trying to hold up at that support level. It's like we don't quite have enough weight to fall through. We're 3 minutes in the market close, or not market close, Euro close. This is a Friday if I've ever seen a Friday in the market. Okay, let's see. TSLL is losing it. Hey, that's good. That's what we want right now. No, sideways Friday. We'll see. Said grab tomorrow, but let's see. Oh yes. Yeah, we can. It's at a level of. Yeah, bring it on down. Bring it on down. Per the usual. Yep. Yeah, we're kind of playing the range. Tesla decided it wanted to create a new range this morning, but now it's like, yo, support is 290, 297 or so, 297.50. Yeah, we're holding. All right, rum's looking like it's okay. It looks like we might have on the 5 minute might have a little trend. There we go. There's a little rum downtrend on the 5 minute. Just a little bit, but we got support at like 950 or so. QBTS back at support. Darren, I'm waiting for gold to pop up if it feels like going somewhere. Let's see. Let's check in on gold. Here. We'll swap out left. Let's see. Hey, is that not a pop? Is that not a pop, Darren? Hey, there you go, Darren. There you go. Yeah, I don't know. Hold on, let me check the one and see. Hey, that's like right there. I feel like it is I feel like that comment is specifically for you. Oh, that's your name, D-Scurv? Darren? I'm just learning stuff about all you. Have you ever tried getting funded through a pop? Yeah, I feel like I think it's I think you're better off trading on your own. I say they're kind of like they're kind of scammy. Like they they force you to use like unnatural rules. So it's like as soon as I got funded, it's like I lost it just because I was like, oh yeah, I can trade normal. It's like all their drawdowns and stuff. It's like I don't want to like stop you, but I just want you to know, like whenever or not whenever, but if you fail like the majority do, it's like the ways that are like proven and regular for people to trade is like they don't want you to do too good, and they also like limit you, like constrain you the way you trade. So it's like um, any options looking good today. There, I'm sure there are plenty of options looking good. It's just there's like too much to be aware of. I usually like to default to the SPY. Uh, when it comes to the SPY, I would say no, not really. The SPY is it looks like it's done for the day. So like when it comes to the SPY, I would say probably not. Yeah, Darren, it's like it took that pop just for you, man. Yeah, I think we're done, family. I think we are done here. I don't think there is much else going to really occur. I don't know if there. Oh, maybe. Hey, maybe. No, I don't know. I don't know if y'all have any questions. Hey, like not. Hey, if y'all want to like talk for a little bit, I'm here. Hey, I'm open to questions. Hey, nothing's off the table at the moment. Yeah, happy. Hey, be blessed. And was it you who had the daughter with the birthday? It look the weather is looking good. The weather's looking good. So yeah, have a good weekend. Let's see. Yeah, I mean it's gonna be sunny, and like if it's tomorrow today, it's gonna be windy. I'll probably run inside. Oh, it's pouring. Where are you, J Love? Good morning. Have you experienced any problems with Robinhood skipping, missing your stop loss? At least at least three this week. So when it comes to the stop loss on Robinhood, um, oh, first thing I would say, like when I've had problems like that before, but it was before I realized like I wasn't using a stop loss, I was using a stop limit. So if you're using a stop limit, you need to be careful the way that you place the order in there. Otherwise, it'll seem like, oh, I had my stop here, but it'll still keep falling and it won't hit your level because I don't know. It's like it was something I used to get confused with, and a lot of people got confused too. At least When it comes to the regular stop loss, like if you use a stop market order, um, that I haven't had any problems with that. But just in case you are unaware of the kind of differences between the stop loss and whatnot on Robinhood. Let me see. I got like a this video right here. I show how to set a stop loss on Robinhood. I would just like in my free time, um, see if you're doing the same thing. Watch it, see if you're doing the same thing, and then like after I show the stop loss, I show the stop limit right after. So I would like check that out. You said where we go for next week. So Danielle, I think. Thank you, Danielle. Appreciate that. All right, peace out, D Scurv. Yeah, done for the day. Hey, peace out, Milky Faye. Have a blessed week. Have a blessed week. Hey, you too, Mahishu. All right, so wait, where is it? Danielle, so when it comes to like where I think we'll go next week, let's zoom out. Here, I'll go to like the daily chart. All right, so right now we are still here. Actually, I'll go back to the 4 hour. So we're still like on the market. We're still in the downtrend. Like it's looked like we've been on an uptrend or in an uptrend since like what is this? Maybe like April 9th. We've been in an uptrend, but like right now we are still in a bearish range. And right now we're at the top of that. So there is a much higher or probability that we go down. And this is an area where it would be a strong sell as opposed to what's going up. But I think it's all going to be kind of news dependent. Short term, if we don't get any like big moves over the weekend, I can see us kind of sliding up and trying to slide up to like 171 or so. If we get some big news over the weekend and it's positive, we can like gap up and be higher, and that'll be good short term. If we, I don't know, I feel like there has to be some kind of like large news to really have us do anything, honestly. Sometimes the stock is moving fast and it skips the sell or the buy order. That's what I've been told in the past. So not exactly when it comes to the it's like it depends on the kind of order. So it's like if it's a stop limit, it's like if it goes past the price, it should still fill. It's just like if it's a stop limit and your limit it hits your stop price, but it doesn't come back up to your limit price, then it's not going to fill, and like the price is just going to keep falling. But if you do a stop market, it may go lower than what you expect, but it's gonna like if it skips, it's gonna sell you at whatever price it skips to. Do you think over the weekend FNGA can come back? It's possible, but like looking at where we're sitting at on the SPY, I think the odds are more in favor of it getting slapped down. But here, it's still like in this like range where it's like tightening. So it's like we got a large move, but the question is which way are we going to move? Here, let's see it on a daily. Yeah, because like looking at FNGA, it's in a supply zone as well, or it's almost there. Let's see. So FNGA, we do have to remember this is a decaying. This is one that is a leveraged decaying asset. So looking at FNGA, it's going to be a little bit different So it's like, since some time has passed, this number may have, the equivalent may be like as if it's come lower. So it's like this right here could be like potentially close to it being at this level when it comes to supply and demand. Like that's, I would say, pretty close. So it's like it's not as clear. But it's possible. Like it's possible that like, oh, maybe it does come up here. Maybe it hasn't had the time to decay like that, but it's like we don't fully know. Welcome, mommy. I bought in at 440, targeting 450 for a short stock trade last week, but I've been down on it. 440 targeting. Oh, I thought you wrote it from whenever I talked about it at like what was it, like 270? Yeah, I thought you've been riding it since then. Yeah, I think it was around 270 that I would. I think like the first time, I think both times that I got it was around like 270 or so. But yeah, I definitely didn't ride all that. It's like I think I was at like 330. Like even this time over here, I was like, okay, hit the trend line. Okay, going to practice my chart reading. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Hey, be blessed, be blessed. Yeah, I've done a few trades on that. Okay, I feel you, I feel you. My TSLL shares up 43%. Hey, that's nice. Nice. All right, family. So I think we're going to call it a day here. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. I hope each and every one of y'all's trades kind of do what y'all want them to do. Uh, hope each and every one of y'all has a good weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. All right, let's see. All right, so peace out, Darren. Peace out, J Love. Peace out, Danielle. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Milky Fave. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Mommy. Peace out, Elegant Boom. Peace out, D Community. Peace out, Derek. Peace out, George. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Frank. Peace out, Natasha. Oh, yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, for real. Peace out, C Smooth. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out. Yes, Kareem. Peace out, Levi. Peace out, Jason. All right. Yeah, I'm about to go run a little bit. Think I'll probably have to do it on a treadmill though, cause I saw it's like windy. So yeah, y'all stay blessed, family. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Peace out, Patrick. Matthew Manuel signing off. All right, peace out, the new 100. Yes. Matthew Manuel signing off. Oh, peace out, Waleska. And I want to change your life. All right, peace out, family. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm gonna try to get at it and go get at it, so I don't just spend the rest of the day being lazy. I'll see y'all.